The company Karali welcomes you to a presentation of the underground system for the disposal of municipal waste. Already more than 20 years we have been manufacturing street furniture. Today, we offer you our solution to the problem of garbage in urban areas. Our system of underground containers eliminate all the flaws of the current obsolete systems, and thereby bring significant savings and benefits to you and your community. The container is opened by a foot pedal, which allows avoiding contact with the lid of the container, which is much more comfortable and hygienically acceptable for users. Thanks to the rubber seal on the lid of the container, odors do not go out into the environment. Insects and rodents can't come into contact with the contents of the container. Trash under the ground is much less exposed to the warm-up on hot summer days. Since the contents of the container is under the ground, people and animals can't come up to the garbage and roll it, or scatter it in the environment. Bag cartridge is designed to not allow waste fluids from the garbage to reach the reservoir of the container and the environment. Because of the structure, principles of labor and materials, emptying underground containers Karali is considerably quieter than the discharge of standard metal containers. So it is possible to perform discharge in late evening hours, when the least traffic intensity in the city, and that the noise does not disturb residents of the surrounding residential buildings. The only defect that can occur in the use of the container Karali is damage to the bagpack, which can be repaired quickly, easily and cheaply. There is no need for welders, fitters and mechanics, as there is no need to transport bulky and heavy container in a special workshop etc. Container Karali is distinct anti-vandal construction. There is no way to be overturned, dislocated, used as barricade in the riots, set on fire, or abused in some other way. Container Karali is filled from above, but empty from below. So trash never passes through the same path that is entered, and so entrance always remains clean. The lid of our containers have a system for self-closing, so that there is no possibility that accidentally or deliberately remain open, and thus trash get exposed to climate impacts. Underground containers Karali, depending on the model, have up to 4 times the volume of a standard container, and allow to 4 times smaller surface lay aside the same amount of the waste. The design of our containers provides gravitational compacting of the waste. The depth and shape of the container, and bag cartridge, forces the garbage to be compressed under its own weight, to the bottom of the container, and allow that container receives a greater amount of waste than standard models. Containers Karali are very appealing and of modern design, made of premium materials and colors chosen by the customer. They can be integrated into any environment, and their appearance and functionality improve the quality of life of the local community. How Containers Karali bring savings? Working force. Emptying requires significantly less involvement of the workforce. One man alone can perform the complete operation. Intervals of discharge. Due to the larger volume of containers, the discharge intervals are longer, which saves fuel and operating hours of people and machinery. Containers Karali occupies considerably less precious urban land, which could be released for commercial purposes. Considerably cheaper maintenance. No need for skilled labor, specialized workshops etc. For our customers, we have secured a prompt delivery of spare parts, and service installation costs and eventual dismantling or relocating of containers are very low in relation to the investment introducing the system in use. Because of the high quality materials and structural solutions, shelf life of Containers Karali is a multiple longer than of standard containers. We offer optional automatic, or manual control of level of occupancy of containers, which provides a more economical route planning for utility trucks. Automatic system is based on ultrasonic and GSM technology, which provides real-time remote monitoring of the entire system, at the level of the city, the region, or the entire state. The results are obtained on a computer, via the GSM network and internet portal, through measuring probes installed inside the container. Route planning is performed automatically by the obtained parameters. Manual system is based on RFID technology, and the work of the patrol service. The officer regularly visits containers, and using a mobile RFID reader, reads the RFID chips attached to containers, and thus the fill state of each container. At the end of the patrol, by linking the RFID reader to computer, using our software, user gains a relevant information for the creation of a route for utility truck. Use of a truck with a crane mounted on the backside allows emptying the container under tram and trolley installation, which is by default located at 5.5 meters height. The specialized truck can complete discharge operation at a height of 4.3 meters, therefore very safe in relation to traffic electrical installations. It is recommended to inform local residents about ways to use the new system of containers through local electronic and printed media. This will help them to more easily fully adopt and use all the benefits that this system provides. We hope you will give us the confidence, and allow your community to enjoy our system. We are open to all your questions and suggestions about our products, as well as for further customization to your specific needs and requirements. Thank you for the time you have devoted to us. Greetings from Karali, Kraljevo, Serbia.